Hey Midland, and welcome to the final video in this photography tips and tricks series. As always, I'm Jennifer. I'm the Maker Place Coordinator at Midland Public Library, and I'm here today to give you one last, final, and ultimate tip for photography for beginners for taking awesome photos. So, what is this essential tip? What do you need to do to take a good photo? It's simple. You need to have fun. Photography is an awesome hobby. It's an incredible art form, and if you wanted it enough, you could absolutely turn it into a career. So you should definitely have fun while you're doing it. Photography is amazing, it's beautiful, it's a great creative outlet, so I definitely encourage you to put your own spin on it, to make it original, to make it uniquely you, and just have fun with it. I encourage you to get click happy, and by that I mean to take 100 zillion million photos. Take a ton of photos. Don't be afraid to click that button and take pictures. You can go through later and pick out your favorite photo that you took. There's no limit except for the memory on your device. Ultimately, photography is an art, not a science. So make sure to bring your own uniqueness to it. Well guys, that's it for me. That's the end of this photography tips and tricks series. So I just want to remind you about our fall photography contest. So running from October 1st to October 31st at 11:59 p.m., we want Midland teens aged 12 to 18 to submit their original photos for a chance to win an awesome prize. You can post them on social media like Facebook or Instagram and use the hashtag MPLFallPhoto to enter. You can also send your photos directly to me at jwhip@midlandlibrary.com. Good luck with your photography journey. I can't wait to see what amazing photos you capture. Thanks guys, and bye for now.